The situation with Bitcoin. Today, I am going to be analyzing Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you exactly where I think it's heading, or rather, at what point I will be taking a position. For the moment, I really don't think it's the opportune time to dive into taking any kind of position, primarily because there isn't a clearly defined direction. Now, one could argue there's a clear direction pointing downwards, towards the base, but we absolutely need a solid entry point. And in this particular video, I'm going to be explaining precisely where my entry point would be, specifically for shorting Bitcoin, taking a bearish stance on it. Why, you might ask? Why would we want to short Bitcoin? Well, in actual fact, as you can see, we are indeed descending. If you look right here, we reached a peak of around 110,000, and subsequently, the price has come down. It's gone down, 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 and then it did this little bounce, and then down again. But right here, this level represented an absolutely excellent entry point for a short. I didn't actually take the trade myself, you see, and that was because it was the weekend. And then if you look closer at the chart, on a smaller time frame, you will be able to see that. The indicator that you're observing here, this is actually the Crypto-Quebec indicator. This tool, it really helps me significantly in making my trading decisions. It's important for you to understand that I achieve an impressive 85% win rate on my trades. But I must also stress that I absolutely do not take every single trade that presents itself on the market. You can see right here, this area here, this is what we refer to as a fair value gap, specifically fair value gap 4. So we did indeed